In this video, I'll detail how to enable picture-in-picture on iPhone. So this is going to be on iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this works on all other iPhone models. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to enable picture-in-picture on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on General like this. Then after that, you want to scroll down until you get to picture-in-picture. You see that? Click on that. And here you have start PIP automatically. If you want to start picture-in-picture automatically, just make sure this is enabled. Otherwise, you need to manually start the PIP. So to turn on picture-in-picture on your iPhone, just enable this. And once that's enabled, this is going to turn on picture-in-picture. And you see, when you swipe up to home screen or use other app, video and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture-in-picture. So the gist of this is when you're having an active video call or FaceTime call on your iPhone and you exit the page, instead of the video call screen to turn off, this is going to bring in the video call to the bottom right here or somewhere here depending on your configuration. So this I can easily turn on picture-in-picture on iPhone on iOS 18 or other earlier model. So if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.